Hello students, I am Rakesh Yadav, your maths faculty representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and we are discussing class 12th related chapter 5th, which is continuity and differentiability, and we are proceeding with our exercise 5.7 of NCERT. Question number up to question number 10th we have done. Now we are proceeding with question 11th. The question 11th is, if y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, then we have to prove that d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0. This we have to prove. So here on differentiating, so first of all you write here in solution y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, which is given part. So on differentiating with respect to x, what it will become? Let us see. dy by dx is equal to 5 d by dx of cos x minus 3 d by dx of sin x. So dy by dx is equal to differentiation of cos x with respect to x is minus sin x. So it will become minus 5 sin x. And then differentiation of sin x with respect to x is cos x, so it will be minus 3 cos x. Now in that part which we have to prove, d square y by dx square is mentioned. So on differentiating with respect to x again, differentiating with respect to x, what it will become? d square y by dx square means second derivative, so minus 5 d by dx of sin x now minus 3 d by dx of cos x. Differentiation of sin x with respect to x is, you know very well, that is cos x. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus 5 cos x, and then differentiation of cos x with respect to x, that will be equal to minus sin x. So this minus and that minus, this one minus and that minus of differentiation, that will become plus 3 sin x. Now you may take minus sign common from here. So after taking minus sign common, what it will become? d square y by dx square equals to, if we are taking minus sign common, then this will become positive and this will become negative. So after taking minus sign common, it will be equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Now see your value of y. It is 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. So from equation 1, you may assign it equation 1. So from equation 1, you may write it d square y by dx square is equal to minus y, because it is value of y only. You may write y, but it is negative y, because here it is minus sign common. So now bring this negative y here in LHS, then it will become positive. So d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS, therefore hence proved. And you listen to me carefully that from question 11 to 17 of this exercise, these all questions are very important by the examination point of view related to this exercise. So this question number 11th is now over. Now see our question 12. It is, if y is equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square. Up to here it is very clear, but in question it is mentioned in terms of y alone. आपको y की टर्म्स में आंसर निकालना है, ये बात आपको ध्यान रखने की है. दिस इज द पॉइंट टू बी रिमेंबर. ये वो पॉइंट है जो आपको याद रखना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन सॉल्यूशन it is given that y is equal to cos inverse x. So on differentiating with respect to x, so it will become dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos inverse x. Cos inverse x differentiation you know very well, that will be equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. What it is? Minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So you may write dy by dx like this, minus 1 minus x square raised to the power minus 1 by 2. You know very well why is it so. इसको minus 1 by 2 लिखा क्योंकि ये डिनोमिनेटर में है तो इसकी पावर 1 by 2 है अगर ये रूट हटाते हैं तो, और जब इसको न्यूमरेटर में ले जाते हैं देन इट विल बिकम माइनस 1 by 2, तो ये माइनस 1 by 2 हो गया. ऑन अगेन डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, ऑन अगेन डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, अगर हम इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में फिर से डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं देन व्हाट इट विल बिकम, इट विल बिकम डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस इंटू माइनस हाफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर रेज टू द पावर माइनस 3 by 2. सी माइनस हाफ, what is the formula for x raised to the power n? N means in place of n minus half is there, so n x raised to the power n minus 1, so minus half minus 1 means what? Minus half minus 1, that will be equal to minus 1 minus 2 upon 2, that will be equal to minus 3 by 2, so that's why it is minus 3 by 2, but it is the differentiation of this part which we have taken as x, but it is not x, it is 1 minus x square, so we have to differentiate 1 minus x square again. So dy by dx, d by dx of 1 minus x square it will become. Now d square y by dx square is equal to half, because minus into minus will become plus. We may write 1 minus x square raised to the power 3 by 2. It will become positive because we are writing it in denominator now, and differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. So what it will become, d square y by dx square is equal to minus 2x upon 2 into 1 minus x square raised to the power 3 by 2. So this 2 is cancelled. Now see what is the value of x. See this part. What is the value of x? X is equal to cos y. Why we are writing so? ऐसा क्यों लिख रहे हैं हम? क्योंकि हमको आंसर किसकी टर्म्स में लाना है? y की टर्म्स में. तो अब हम x की जगह पर cos y लिखेंगे सब जगह पर. So now this will become d square y by dx square is equal to minus cos y upon 1 minus cos square y raised to the power 3 by 2. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, d square y by dx square जो होगा, then this will become minus cos y upon sin square y raised to the power 3 by 2, क्योंकि 1 minus cos square y is sin square y, so you may write it sin square y. अब इस पावर को x raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power m into n, ये लॉ ऑफ इंडाइसेस का फॉर्मूला है. सो बाय लॉ ऑफ इंडाइसेस वी मे राइट इट d square y by dx square is equal to minus cos, sorry it is y not x, minus cos y upon sin y raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2. इस पावर को मैंने ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है, x रेज टू पावर m रेज टू पावर n इज इक्वल टू x रेज टू पावर m इंटू n, तो ये 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. नाउ व्हाट इट विल बिकम, d स्क्वायर y बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस कॉस y अपॉन साइन क्यूब y. ये ऐसा हो जाएगा। अब हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस कॉस वाई अपॉन साइन वाई। एक साइन वाई यहाँ लिख दिया और इसके साथ इंटू में लिख दिया 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर वाई। ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, वी मे राइट इट लाइक दिस बिकॉज साइन वाई इंटू साइन स्क्वायर वाई इज साइन क्यूब वाई। सो डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू माइनस कॉट वाई कोसेक स्क्वायर वाई, क्योंकि कॉस स्क्वायर वाई का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है, कोसेक स्क्वायर वाई होता है। सो वी मे राइट माइनस कॉट वाई कोसेक स्क्वायर वाई। दिस इज ओनली अवर आंसर, दिस इज द कंक्लूजन। In terms of y, we have written this complete. Now see question 13th. If y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, then we have to show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y equals to 0. So here in solution, given y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. On differentiating with respect to x, so this will become dy by dx is equal to 3 d by dx of cos log x plus 4 and then d by dx of sin log x. Now what we can do, we can differentiate cos log x, then it will become dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin log x, because differentiation of cos log x will become minus sin log x, but it is not x, it is log x. So we have to differentiate this log x also with respect to x here, and after that it is plus 4. Differentiation of sin log x will become cos log x, and after that d by dx of log x again, like here only d by dx of log x again. Now differentiation of log x will become differentiation of log x will become 1 by x. So we may write dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin log x upon x plus 4 cos log x upon x. Now let me tell you one more thing. dy by dx is value, dy by dx we can assign dy by dx as y1. So we may write here y1 is equal to, x is taken as LCM, then this will become minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Now this x is multiplied here, so it will become xy1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Now again differentiating with respect to x, what it will become? On again differentiating with respect to x, जब हम इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में फिर से डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो यहाँ क्या लगेगा, प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मूला। तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकेंड मीन्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ y1। y1 क्या था, dy बाई डी एक्स था, तो वो डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर हो गया। तो उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं, जब इसको y1 बोल रहे हैं देन दिस विल बिकम डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ y1 विल बिकम y2, इसको हम y2 बोलेंगे, प्लस सेकेंड इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट मीन्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ x। ये फर्स्ट फंक्शन इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकेंड प्लस सेकेंड इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट, तो इज इक्वल टू देन माइनस थ्री डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ साइन लॉग एक्स एंड देन plus 4 d by dx of cos log x. So what it will become now? Now this will become xy2. Have you got this? Because मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर इसका फिर से डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे, मतलब ये डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर हुआ, तो डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? y2 लिख सकते हैं। मतलब y1 का डिफरेंशिएशन y2 होगा, तो इसलिए ये xy2 हो गया, प्लस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x अगर अपन करते हैं तो वो 1 होता है, तो ये y1 एज इट इज होगा, इज इक्वल टू साइन लॉग x का डिफरेंशिएशन cos log x होगा, सो इट विल बिकम -3 cos log x, क्योंकि वहाँ पर -3 तो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ था, और फिर इसके बाद में d by dx ऑफ log x भी लिखना पड़ेगा। नाउ आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इज देयर? प्लस विल बिकम माइनस हियर, ये माइनस हो जाएगा क्योंकि cos log x का डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस साइन log x होगा, तो ये -4 साइन log x, और इसके बाद में d by dx ऑफ log x। हमको log x का भी डिफरेंशिएशन करना पड़ेगा, तो log x का डिफरेंशिएशन फिर वापस 1/x होगा, तो इसको हम आगे प्रोसीड करेंगे। फिर नाउ सी इट इज xy2 प्लस y1 इज इक्वल टू -3 cos log x अपॉन x। Here it is, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, plus minus 4 sin log x upon x. So now again we have to take LCM. xy2 plus y1 is equal to, if we are taking minus sign common, then this will become 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x upon x, if minus sign is taken common. See here what it is, minus sign is taken common here, so this will become 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x and upon x. X is LCM here, so we have to multiply this x here, so it will become x square y2 plus x y1. This x is multiplied here, cross multiplication, so x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus y, because this is the value of y only. You can see from equation 1 you may write, this is equation 1, so you may write from equation 1. Now what it will become? See, this negative y is when transposed from RHS to LHS, then it will become x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0, hence proved. This is proved here. So in this way we can complete such type of question. Now see question 14th. If y is equal to a e raised to the power mx plus b e raised to the power nx, then show that d square y by dx square minus in bracket m plus n, and with product of this dy by dx plus mn y is equal to 0 we have to prove. So in solution, given y is equal to a e raised to the power mx plus b e raised to the power nx. Now here let me tell you one thing. You just find out d square y by dx square and dy by dx. dy by dx and d square y by dx. After determining the value of dy by dx and d square y by dx square, you put those values here in this, prove that part. By taking LHS, you bring RHS there. It will be convenient in this manner only. Otherwise, this will become too much tough for you. So, on differentiating with respect to, so it will become dy by dx is equal to a d by dx of e raised to the power mx plus b d by dx of e raised to the power nx. So dy by dx is equal to a e raised to the power mx. Differentiation is e raised to the power mx only, but differentiation of mx also we have to do. So differentiation of mx will become m plus b e raised to the power nx and then d by dx of nx again, because it is not x alone, the coefficient of x is there na, n here and m here, so we have to differentiate that part also. So now this will become dy by dx is equal to m a e raised to the power mx plus n b e raised to the power nx. It is our, this one is our equation 1, this one is our equation 2, and now on again differentiating with respect to x, this will become d square y by dx square, as you know very well. dy by dx of dy, sorry, d by dx of dy by dx will be d square y by dx square. So here ma is taken outside because it is constant part. D by dx of e raised to the power mx plus nb d by dx of e raised to the power nx. So now this will become d square y by dx square is equal to ma e raised to the power mx and d by dx of mx again. Now plus nb e raised to the power nx d by dx of nx again. So what it will become? It will become d square y by dx square is equal to, see, differentiation of mx is m and differentiation of nx is n. So m into m is m square. So m square a e raised to the power mx plus n square b e raised to the power nx. This is our equation number 3. Now to prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove this d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m n y is equal to 0. This we have to prove. Now LHS is equal to d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m n y. This is our LHS. On putting values of y comma dy by dx and d square y by dx square from equation 1, 2 and 3. Equation 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 से हमने y की वैल्यू dy by dx की वैल्यू और d square y by dx square की वैल्यू इसमें पुट करनी है. So now this will become d square y by dx square is given. Simply it is m square a e raised to the power mx plus n square b e raised to the power nx minus m plus n into value of dy by dx is here. Here it is in second equation, m a e raised to the power mx plus nb e raised to the power nx, and after that which value we have to put? plus mn into y. So plus mn, value of y is what? Here it is a e raised to the power mx plus b e raised to the power nx. Now what it will become? M square a e raised to the power mx plus n square b e raised to the power nx minus m is when multiplied by m. So minus m square a e raised to the power mx minus m is when multiplied by n, then it will become minus mn b e raised to the power nx, and after that minus plus minus n is when multiplied by m minus mn a e raised to the power mx, and then plus minus n is when multiplied by this n, positive n, then it will be minus n square. So minus n square b e raised to the power nx plus mn is multiplied by a e raised to the power mx, and then mn is multiplied by this b. So plus mn b e raised to the power nx. Now see, this m square a e raised to the power mx is cancelled by this negative because it is negative part, this one is positive. N square b e raised to the power nx is cancelled by n square b e raised to the power nx. Mn b e raised to the power nx, mn b e raised to the power nx is also cancelled. Here it is negative, this one is positive. Mn a e raised to the power mx is cancelled by this positive mn a e raised to the power mx. So it will be equal to 0. So this is RHS. And thanks a lot for watching our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Like it, subscribe it and share it as much as possible.